Cook like Ukrainians. Перець, фарширований м'ясом і рисом. One of the important criteria when choosing pepper is gender. To determine the gender, you need to turn the pepper. If you see 4 sections, this is a girl pepper, wide in shape and low fruit. If you see 3 sections, this is a pepper boy. It is more elongated. The taste of female pepper is sweeter, so it is better to use it fresh, salad or sliced. Male peppers are harder and sourer, well suited for heat treatment, for example, stews or preservation. Red pepper is distinguished by a large amount of ascorbic acid and vitamin A. In yellow and orange, a higher concentration of rutin and phosphorus. Green pepper contains elements that help fight cancer. I'm sure you know how to cook rice, but just in case, I'll show you how I do it. Guys, can you imagine? I forgot to buy tomato sauce. I decided to use tomato soup instead of it. I saw in description 70% of tomatoes, and only later I translated what an oxtail is. It's funny to live without knowing English. Cook like Ukrainians. Subscribe and click the bell. More videos coming soon.